sky, silver on the water where the dark waves sigh. Barefoot on a winding road nobody knows, following a feeling wherever it goes. Cedar shadows dancing at the edge of sight, tiny golden lanterns waking up the night. Every little flicker through the emerald trees, calling out my name on the evening breeze. No map in my pocket, no promise in my hands, just a trail of little wonders leading me across the land. Follow the fireflies down the winding road where the sea winds sigh. Silver little lanterns in the pines, calling me farther than the shoreline lies. Follow the fireflies through the cedar shadows and the moonlit tides. Every tiny spark becomes a guide. When the world is sleeping, I come alive. Follow the fireflies. Follow the fireflies. Ancient stones remember stories in the hills, whispers of 1,000 dreams that linger still. Every step is music underneath my feet, dancing with the heartbeat of the summer heat. Golden constellations drifting through the dark, painting little pathways with a floating spark. I don't know tomorrow and I don't need to know. The fireflies are telling me which way to go. No fear in the distance, no reason left behind, just the moon above the water and the rhythm in my stride. Follow the fireflies down the winding road where the sea winds sigh. Silver little lanterns in the pines, calling me farther than the shoreline lies. Follow the fireflies through the cedar shadows and the moonlit tides. Every tiny spark becomes a guide. When the world is sleeping, I come alive. Follow the fireflies. Follow the fireflies. Double cup